Finding the best brad nailer can elevate your woodworking projects by providing precision, efficiency, and ease of use. Brad nailers are essential for tasks like trim work, cabinetry, and other detailed woodworking jobs. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best brad nailers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Linknal Cordless Brad Nailer is a top contender among the best brad nailers, ranking 5th overall. Say goodbye to the inconvenience of compressors, hoses, and costly gas cartridges. This nail gun is powered exclusively by batteries, granting you the freedom to work anywhere. It can drive up to 1,300 nails per charge, maximizing your efficiency on the job. Included in the efficiency bundle are two 20V Max 2.0 Li-ion batteries, a charger, and 1,000 18-gauge nails. This comprehensive package ensures you have all the necessary tools to enhance productivity without the hassle of searching for additional components. Performance is a key feature of the Linknal 18GA brad nailer. With sequential and contact modes, it adapts to various nailing needs, providing both speed and precision. The Aote-Pitt 20V cordless 2-in-1 staple nail gun is a standout in the market, securing the number 4 spot among the best brad nailers, and utilizing advanced impact drive technology guarantees stable shooting and superior penetration strength. This versatile tool drives 18-gauge brad nails ranging from 9/16 to 5/8 and 3/8 inches staples from 1/4 to 9/16 inches. Its bottom-loading magazine facilitates quick and easy installation of up to 85 staples. Powered by a 20V Max 2000 mAh lithium battery, this cordless brad nailer eliminates the need for cords, offering unparalleled convenience and portability, especially in areas without electric power. Weighing just 3.8 pounds with the battery, it can fire up to 3,200 nails or staples on a full charge. Ranked as the 3rd best brad nailer, the Craftsman V20 cordless finish nailer stands out with its advanced features. It drives adhesive collated 18-gauge finish nails efficiently, offering a fully cordless design that eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, or expensive gas cartridges. This innovative tool ensures consistent firing power in various climate conditions and materials, making it reliable for diverse tasks. The V20 nailer is designed for ease of use, featuring tool-free depth settings for quick setup and tool-free jam install settings for improved efficiency. Its lightweight build and optimal center of gravity provide excellent balance and comfort during extended use. Additionally, the contoured, over-molded handle enhances user comfort, reducing fatigue. For added convenience, the Craftsman V20 includes a belt hook, ensuring easy access and storage while on the job. This blend of practicality and performance makes the Craftsman V20 a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, reinforcing its status as a top-tier brad nailer. The Bielmeier 20V Max Lithium Cordless Brad Nailer offers unparalleled flexibility by eliminating the need for cords, gas, or compressors. Designed for versatility, this 2-in-1 nailer handles 18-gauge brad nails from 3/4 to 2 inches and 1/4 inch crown staples from 3/4 to 1/9/16. Equipped with cutting-edge air impact drive technology, this battery-powered tool delivers 50% more driving force than competing models, making it ideal for home improvement, woodworking, and repairs. The tool-free depth adjustment feature allows precise countersinking of nails by simply turning a rotation knob, while the tool-free jam release ensures quick and easy clearing of nail jams, enhancing workflow efficiency. Users can seamlessly switch between sequential and contact actuation modes with the dual-mode toggle switch, achieving a firing rate of up to 80 nails per minute. The quick-release loading magazine at the bottom ensures fast and easy installation of staples and nails. With these advanced features, the Bielmeier brad nailer sets a new standard in performance and ease of use, making it a top choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The new Master Electric Brad Nailer NTC0040 stands out as the #1 choice among brad nailers for its exceptional convenience and functionality. Unlike traditional nail guns, it doesn't require compressors or hoses, making it incredibly easy to use. This versatile tool is perfect for a range of softwood DIY projects such as carpentry, picture framing, door or window molding installation, and pet house construction. However, it is not suitable for more demanding tasks like quarter-round baseboard, drywall installation, roofing, or flooring. Safety is a top priority with the new Master Brad Nailer, featuring an on-off power switch, safety contact, and an easily squeezed trigger to prevent accidental firing. For optimal use, it's important to firmly depress the contact safety before triggering. Designed for user comfort, this nailer includes an ergonomic soft grip handle to reduce fatigue during extended use and a non-marring rubber nose to ensure a smooth finish on your projects. Additionally, its adjustable power function allows for precise control, making it ideal for light-duty applications. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.